Ayush, that is my son eating crab for the first time. Ayush, have you tasted crab before? No? So this is the first time. How does it taste? And my child, yeah, my child was able to instantly identify it, which I found amazing. And this is shrimp. I don't know what it looks very mysterious to me. Oh, this is shrimp, Ayush. You're supposed to pull it out and have. Oh my god, that is crab. So people, this is called Flechazo, and this is a newly opened branch. In till April 2nd they have these offers where basically my child is eating all of this just for 366 bucks, and despite the fact that it's non-veg, and I'm having stuff for 600, the whole thing. It's pretty neat. Yeah, I'm so glad. I'll taste this soup. Wow. So that's a lot of non-veg, really.